Hi everybody. So we're back, and this time we're doing just a quick acrylic pour. I decided I wanted to try to do something for Valentine's Day, maybe like a kind of quasi hot mess canvas style. But I needed a little bit of a canvas to work on, so I decided rather than doing a traditional painting hot mess, I would just do an acrylic pour in kind of traditional Valentine's colors. So we've got our pinks and our reds here. Since I'm going to do a white as an overlay, I didn't really want to have any white in this particular mix of colors, which may or may not have been the best choice, as you'll see. Um, but it turned out okay, and it'll look good when we do part two of this project. But one of the challenges I had is I made my paints a little bit thin this time. I just used glue, Floetrol, and water as my medium. And as you can see, it got a little bit on the thin side, which caused it to be a little bit muddy and not nearly as distinctive as I had hoped it would be. Um, all of the paints that I used are going to be in the description below, but they're basically apple barrel from the Walmart, so the cheap stuff. As you can see, I added some more red there just to kind of give some more distinctive color where all the pinks were muddying together, and tried to see if I could even get any cells to form. There's no silicone in this mix, because I'm going to use the vinyl over top of it. I didn't want any silicone in it. But it did form some small cells from just using the glue itself as part of the medium. And as you can see, again, it's really thin, a little too thin. I got kind of in a hurry when I was mixing it up and didn't measure. Um, but it did kind of turn out. Like I said, it was a little muddy because it was so thin, but also because it's just um, basically red and then two shades or three shades of pink. There's not a lot of differentiation between the colors. But for what I'm doing, it turned out, okay. I'm happy with the end result. I decided to torch it a little bit more, and I did end up getting some small cells that formed throughout, and it turned out okay. And you'll see a close up when we go to do the hot mess. But thanks for joining us.